Hey guys, this is Paul here, introducing you guys about Ramtos, this awesome project that we have built for the Aptos Hackathon within the last 4 weeks or so. So just TLDR, what we wanted to is build a SDK for developers to ideally help onboard traditional user similar to our Web2 apps. So the problem we start seeing is that Web2, Web3 onboarding is too complicated. Oftentimes, the knowledge gap that is required for user is much more than Web2, and they need to be involve a lot of executive work, like installing a wallet, memorizing seed phrase. So what we found out is 65% of the first-time user quit after their first trial. And so our problem and and some of the challenges that we want to address is the friction in private key management. So the first problem is loss risk, where many users fail to back up mnemonic or lose access across multiple devices. And the second problem is operational hassle, where user must handle multiple wallet and then remember which key go to which dApp, which can complicate the transactional process. And so with Ramtos, our solution is introducing an open source passkey smart wallet where it enabling a passwordless or non-password login for that are currently building on Aptos using WebAuthn passkeys. So the goal here is to deliver a Web2-like login experience and helping the onboarding process as seamless as possible while keeping the full self-custody of the asset. And the SDK integrates smart contract wallet with automatic session management, allowing our developers and all the partners to be seamlessly integrated within your dApp. Gonna quickly show you guys the demo. It's gonna be very thorough, and then ideally you guys can see how you can start integrating this into your. Like I said, just want to quickly demo with you how Ramtos work. So this right here is our website. You can just look up Ramtos Fund, and it will lead you to our website right here. Some of the function we are still building out, but hopefully, with your feedback, we can build them out sooner. So the function I want to introduce you today is, connect with your Aptos key, Ramtos key. So right now, we're gonna create our passkey Ramtos. And we are using, so right now we're on Apple, so we're using Face ID, but if you're on other devices, it's probably require you to using Touch ID or such and such. So yeah, right now I already have an Aptos address. So next step is, if you see my balancer right now, I have 0 Aptos in my account right now. So you can start buying Aptos with Apple Pay or Visa. So right now we are connected with Stripe. So this is still a sandbox. So this is just for testing. But let's say I want to pay with $1 US. So you can either connect with your Apple payment method or your Visa card payment method. So I'm gonna use a Visa card for this method. So gonna enter my information, and then I'll get back to you with when the transaction is proceed. Just for testing purpose, so obviously you cannot copy our Visa card. We have a different card, just so FYI. So yeah, so now with the payment done, so if we check our balance again, you will see that now I have 0.2 Aptos. And one of the use case we want to introduce is quickly a swap from Aptos token to USDC, and this would be this would allow employees more seamless experience. Like we said, we want to target to the Web2 user, so this is how we want to integrate it within Aptos as well. So now we can start swapping. And similarly, it kind of requires your login ID. So transaction is successfully recorded on chain, so we can check it in the explorer.aptos. And you will see that our transaction is recorded on here. And other use cases that we want to introduce is kind of like a subscription model, a subscription to pay for your other services that you want to make monthly or yearly, or you want to make a tip for people that you like, or for a donation for various purposes. So this is how we want to integrate, using Aptos to integrate different way to right now proceed with a seamless way to pay using Ramtos.